Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about some interesting forex pairs. Please you guys remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also drop your thoughts in the comment section. For those interested in learning how to trade the forex market, I will drop my number in the comment section, in the description, so you can hit me up on WhatsApp. Okay, I urge you all to stay to the end of this video so as to prepare yourself for a new trading week. I was not able to post last week. I am sorry about that, guys. Some people actually reached out to me that they really anticipated my videos, and I'm really grateful that some people still find my video helpful in their trading journey, and they go through my videos and know the direction which or how they expect the markets to unfold in the coming week. I'm really grateful that you guys find my video helpful. Please don't forget to drop your favorite pairs you would like me to analyze in our next videos. Okay, thank you very much. So without wasting much time, let us quickly get started. So we'll quickly start with the US30. So on my chart here, this is a 1 hour chart on US30 for the markets to probably get here and maybe continue moving to the upside or break below it, and I anticipate a further move to the downside. But the market broke below it, came here, retested, and I anticipated a short move which gave us almost a 4:1. So this, I was risking 52 pips to get 177 pips. In the next week, what I'll be expecting from US30 is quite simple. Since we have actually broken below this level and pushed to the upside again, I'll kindly wait for the markets to be able to give me a clear direction, probably to the upside or to the downside. So, but if I am going long, if I am to go long on US30, I'll kindly wait for a consolidation around this level. Then I'll go long from this level. I'll go long, targeting this zone here. So if I'm targeting this zone, this is my first scenario to go long on US30. Then the second scenario is for me to wait for a break above this level here. A break above it, a retest of it, then also a continuation to the upside. So either both ways, I'll be waiting for a retest or a consolidation around this mini zone here, then a push to the upside, or a push to the upside, a retest of this level, here. Sorry, let me quickly draw something like that. So a push to the upside, a retest of this level, then a continuation to the upside. So this will be my scenario to go long on US30 in the coming week. So, but definitely I will be following up to know how the market unfolds. All right, for me to go short on US30, since I'm using this zone as a support level for me to be able to go long on US30 or wait for a consolidation around this level, I'll also wait for a break below it. So this will be what I'll be expecting from the US30 in order to go short on US30 this coming week. I'll wait for a break below this zone, a retest of it, then a push to the downside. So this will be like the first take profit will be this level, a retest of this, and a continuation to the downside. So this will be my second take profit from the US30 if I am going short on this coming week. So, and if I am to plot using the trend line from a guide, so this will be how it will look like. So we have a first touch and a second touch, break below it, retest of it, then a push to the downside. That if I am going short on USD. But if I am going long, it will be the other one. So for now, this is my scenarios, and it is what I'll be expecting from USD and in the coming week. Without wasting much time, we'll quickly move over to the gold. On gold, I was able to take just a trade in the previous week. So coming from the 4 hours time frame, this is how the gold looks like. If you notice, I plotted a trend line here, which was giving me like a guide. When we got here, came at this level again, the market pushed the upside, came here, so until we got to this level. So when we got to this level, market now broke below it. I was now able to draw a zone here. So when we go to a 30 minutes time frame, that's when you were able to see it properly. Meanwhile, market consolidated a lot around this level on gold. For those who followed up gold in the previous week, you notice that the market consolidated around this level. So if you are not a patient trader, or if you don't know how to trade, like if you don't have like a good scalp strategy, how to take short trades, you might be able to blow your accounts at this level, because you might think the market will just retest this level and keep pushing down, and when it gets to here, it will reverse and will probably stop you, or does it take you out and probably still push to the downside. And if you're someone who trades very fast, when the market gets to this level, it will push to the upside. The market broke below this level. I didn't get a good entry signal. Sometimes you might actually know or predict the direction of the market, but because you're not able to get a good entry signal or a strategy for you to be able to enter the trade, it's just best to avoid the trade. I was never able to get any entry signal, so until we got to this zone here. So when we got to this level, at first we retested it, then I noticed that the market pushed to the upside, then I was able to take the trade on a 15 minutes time frame. So this gave me a quick 3:1. So I risked 66 pips to get 216 pips, and it was a very quick trade that I took. So what I'll be expecting from the gold in the coming week, because it seems like we are gradually pulling to the upside. So I'll be much on the bullish side than the bearish side on gold. Long on gold, I will be waiting for the markets to break above this zone, at which I was able to take my take profit. So I'll wait for a break above it, a retest of this zone, then a push to the upside, probably a break of this level again, a retest of it, and a continuation to the upside. If the market doesn't give me this, for me to be able to go short on gold, I will definitely have to wait for the market to break below this level, a retest of it, then a push to a continuation to the downside. So what I was expecting more is to go long on gold than to go short. Even if the market still come at this level, if the market doesn't break above this level immediately, I will still wait for the market to probably come at this level, and probably consolidate around this level, then a push to the upside. As the week unfolds, I will be able to understand a better direction, or the way the market is moving also, in order to adjust my analysis within the week. Thirdly, we'll go on GBP/USD. GBP/USD, unlike the pair, I was able to see good two signals which I took on the GBP/USD pair. So one of it was a quick and a sweet break and retest of a trend line, which I drew on this one. So I was following up the GBP/USD, and we kept on bouncing off of this trend line until we got to this level with a zone combined on it. So we broke below it, a retest, a quick retest, and a push to the downside. So this gave me a 4.5 ratio 1. I was risking 21 pips to make 900 and to make 95 pips on the GBP, and this went smooth. But I think there was a news around that period, so the market went very fast, and I was very happy with the trade. So even when the market still broke below it, I kept on anticipating a retest of it, though it wasn't that smooth. But I finally got a retest at this level. Then it pushed a continuation to the downside. This one also gave me a short 2 ratio 1, risking 30 pips to get 60 pips on the GBP/USD. So what I'll be expecting from the GBP/USD in the coming week, since at this level we've seen that the market has been kind of consolidating, but we pushed down to the downside. We pushed from here to the downside, then we tested. I'll be expecting the market to give us probably a continuation to the downside. If I am to go short, on GBP/USD, I'll wait for a retest of this, break below this level, a retest of it, and a push to the downside, or a consolidation around this level. I have to go on a 30 minutes. So if I am to go all short also, I have to wait for as we've broken below this, I'll wait for a retest of this level, or probably a consolidation around this level. Then get my fixed take profit will be at this zone here. Then if we break below it and retest, I will still be adjusting my take profit to the downside. So this is my scenario to go short on the GBP/USD. But if I'm to go long on GBP/USD, I have to wait for a break above this level, a consolidation around this level here, and my first take profit will be at this zone here. So this will be my scenario to go long on GBP/USD in the coming week. Aside from any of this one, to the short strategy and the bullish strategy, I will try as much as possible not to take any trade on the GBP/USD. And please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification button so that you will be notified immediately I drop a new video. Thank you all. So lastly, I'll be talking about the USD/JPY. USD/JPY was one pair I just keep admiring from afar, because it moves opposite direction with the GBP/USD. So most times once I analyze the GBP/USD, I indirectly analyze the USD/JPY, because I've noticed that each time the GBP/USD is pushing to the upside, USD/JPY moves opposite. So now if we look at, you will notice that we have a sweet trend line on the USD/JPY here. So we have first touch, second touch, third touch. This is like the fourth one, and now we've pushed down up over to the side. So we're at this level here where the market has gotten. So I will be expecting like a retest of it, probably a retest around this level, then a push to the upside, a retest of this, and you know the vibe now, like a continuation to the upside. So this is my first scenario to go long on USD/JPY. Then my second scenario is to wait for a break above this level, a retest of it, then a push to the upside. This is this will be my both scenarios for me to go long on USD/JPY. So if I am to go short on USD/JPY, I'll kindly wait for a break below this zone, and the trend line, like a break up below it, a retest of it, and a push to the downside. I'll keep on adjusting my take profit, because if you notice that we're on the uptrend here, so I'll try as much as possible to follow it up. So whenever the market push gives me like a 2:1, I will probably take my partials and also not to be too greedy taking a trade, because this is like me trading against the trend. So whenever you're trading against the trend, you have to be careful as much as possible not to hurt your account. This will be all for this week. I've talked about the US 30, the gold, GBPUSD, and the USD I hope you guys find this video very helpful, and also to follow up the coming week to know how the market unfolds. Thank you all and have a great week ahead. I love you guys.